Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. You guys can check out BSLED for the Starry projector light, night light, ambient light, relaxation. Headphones you could use, Bluetooth probably. Let's see, what does that say? Gift, party light. So a lot of celebrities are using these now. A lot of Twitch streamers. And there we go. Night light, relaxation. Because you got to change your scenery. Especially if you guys been cooped up a long time now. So get these now. Great Christmas gift for your kid or for yourself. Here we go. Got the manual. Got some kind of unicorn type looking. What is this? Streamers? That's what they remind me of, streamers. Oh boy. There should be a party going on tonight. Here's the remote. Yeah, I think I'm losing my voice. I don't know. Bear with me. I need some AAAs. So make sure you guys stock up on your AAAs. We got the, take that off, USB. One second. If I can see, there we go. Oh yeah, this is a long one. Got a long cord. So that's a good thing. Stuck in a streamer. So that's pretty long. That's a good bonus. And here she is. Careful not to drop it. Ooh, kind of looks like a UFO. Yeah, all the features are here. USB, brightness, on and off. Speaker, bottom. Maybe hook up a tripod to it. Can I have like that or have it this way? Like a disco ball? Where do you plug it in at? Oh, right there. DC. Plug it by my computer. I'm gonna hop over. Oh, I got good batteries. Hold on one sec. Alright, guys, we got it plugged in right now. Look at that. And it's Bluetooth, so you could pair it up with your phone. Alexa, turn off computer light. Come on. Alexa, turn off computer light.
Okay.
There we go. Whoa. Then here we go. Kind of looks like Nebula. Change fade. That's pretty cool. And you can move it around. Now we got that more. That's cool. So, like I said, there you go. And you can change it to right, red, green, just stars. Oh, that's really cool. Whoa. Holy smokes. Change it. But like I said, it is Bluetooth and whoa. Do the fade. Oh, see the stars right there. Here we go. That one's pretty cool. I think LED to shut off, turn on, laser, have that turn off, have it that normal. That is cool. Do the fade. All you gotta do in your Bluetooth is go on your options and then click Bluetooth, and then it will pop up Projector, Starry, or just BSLED. So it's really easy to hook up, but with a lot of copyright issues, I don't want to play any music. So, but it's really easy to use. Or if not, you can use your USB memory card. So this would be nice to relax to watching a movie, playing your games.
Power off.
Oh, see. Go.
Power off. Bluetooth mode.
There you go. All you gotta do is hit this button. I don't know if you guys can see it, this one. But definitely check them out, guys. BSLED Starry Projector. Definitely grab a couple. Be safe. Have a good night.